baby boink. He's a baby boink. He's a baby boink. Ah.
Alright. Let's go. I already have the postcard. Anyway. Hi. Unboxing video Terp Tuesday, but this won't be uploaded for like weeks because I have so many videos to upload. Right, Maya? Orange. So it's an orange piece. Super exciting. It was in my haul. I showed the piece, but I didn't do the full unboxing video. So today we're gonna show you what it's like. I've never tried a Talking Terps long sleeve tee. So comes with a postcard. First of all, I already have one of these, so it's not as exciting. Showed that in the haul, and then the authentication card, which is fire, and that's the design on the back of the tee, the origins of the sleeping dog. So this backstory on this tee. Maya, come here, come smell this. Look, what did I get? The backstory on the origins of this tee. Come smell this. Come. Lazy Dog is like one of their characters, one of their dudes, part of their collections, and I just really love this one. It really like resonates with me and my vibe. Me and Maya's vibe, we're both lazy dogs, and I just love the little character, the design. Super fire. It's like just one of my favorite things. I love all the characters, but like this one is super fire. Love it. Not sure who designed it, I think, but like Hope Lord, one of the main guys, he's always repping this character, probably because he's like the same as me, you know. He's like this such a fire little dude, like a little character guy, you know. So Lazy Dog, that's me. I love it. Long sleeve tee. So happy I finally got a Lazy Dog piece. I got the keychain, but you know, I've been wanting a t-shirt, and there's been a couple pieces that I've released, and I kind of slept on those, missed out on those, because it's one of their more like popular pieces, because I feel like since Hope Lord likes it so much, she kind of puts more of that effort into it. So our collector box over there, collector cards over there, and now we have our Talking Terps Lazy Dog Origins long sleeve tee. Mission Control, that's what this one's called. In orange, and I got the large. Make sure it fits proper. We don't want no issues. Oh, there's a little rip already at the top. It's starting to rip open, so I can open it nicely. And then I can keep this beautiful packaging to keep my shirt in the collectible box. And one thing I noticed right away is the oh my god, the large is actually huge, so I could get away with the smaller medium, because I've been looking at like some long sleeve tees that they've dropped like a long time ago, more of their limited pieces, like the Wizard tee and like a collecting Terps tee that I really want. So yeah, I could get away with other sizes. Ooh, it smells so good. What the heck? It smells so fresh. But yeah, it's huge. And like I was saying, what I was trying to say is I thought it'd be way more brighter, but it makes sense that it's more of like a washed color, because I'm pretty sure they do dye it themselves, and then they probably pre-wash it to make sure it's pre-shunk, pre-color, all of that kind of stuff. Maya, why you shake your hair all over my new stuff? Then we got these fire kind of gathering Terp each one designs, each one to each one designs down that arm, and nothing on this arm, which is okay, because you know, arm graphics are always going to get cracked up. I thought there was more graphics down the arms, but the main focus is this big graphic on the back. Did they step up the print of the graphics? The graphic print is definitely nice. It's like this thick, kind of like, almost like ripstocky kind of like print. It's very thick, very nice. I don't know if they stepped it up for this one, because it's not, the Talking Terps one was more of an ink print. It wasn't as much of like a solid print, so. The tag is very beautiful as well. I love the Terp tags since 2019. Also, I do preview and try on at the end of my videos, so make sure to always stay tuned for that. Lazy Dog, Talking Terps, classic logo with the mushroom dude, the little shroom character, and the gathering Terp dudes to each one, little combination there on the arms. And then we got on the back, we got Crawford smoking it up. I don't know if that's Crawford or which is another character. We got the Wizard, and they're gonna pick up the Lazy, oh, they got the Lazy Dog, they went and picked them up, so in their little Terp spaceship. So fire. I love this, and I love orange. This is probably gonna be one of my new favorite pieces, and it's like a nice oversized. I love that for long sleeves. I don't really like I either like it to be fitted or oversized, not like in the middle. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but I'll try it on and show you guys what I mean. So let's go try this on. I will bring you guys over, not into my messy area. Yeah, this is fine. It's a bit pale though, which is nice because I already have bright orange. So change it up. I did think it was gonna be bright orange though. Look at my hat. Is my hat faded? Yes, definitely more of a faded. Look at my Terp dude over here with me. Back design is so fun. This is such a comfy long sleeve. Holy shit. I'm definitely gonna try and get the ones online. And the XL, I maybe could get away with because the arms are like perfectly fitted. So I could get an XL and then shrink it because there was a couple XL shirts that I saw.